Good day, I'm Ashley Gosela. Through this module, I gained a deeper understanding of how culture significantly influence organization, communities, and society as a whole. In Module 3, I learned the importance of corporate culture. It emphasized that organizations are not defined solely by politics, policies, or profit, by shared values, attitude, and behaviors. A strong and positive corporate culture fosters collaboration and employee motivation, which ultimately enhance performance and satisfaction. In Module 4, highlight the importance regional culture. This module helps me appreciate how local tradition and age and practices and interactions. Recognizing culture is especially essential hospitality and service sensitive and enables professionals to provide more effective and respectful service. In Module 5, focus on significant socio-economic factors. It made me more aware of how social and economic condition influence individual opportunities, lifestyle, and decision making. This understanding encourage empathy and broader awareness, diverse challenges people experience society. Overall, this module reinforced the idea culture's socio-economic vital role and behavior, relationships, and success. Professional, this knowledge will help me become more adaptable, respectful, and social responsible.